Hi, this is Emeke from SlideHub with a short product update for August. On today's agenda, we have 4 points. First up is the Lockslide feature. Then I will introduce you to SlideHub in Outlook. Next is the improvement in color consistency for white icons. Finally, I would like to extend an invitation for you to join us on our next quarterly product webinar. The Lockslide feature. What is the Lockslide feature? This new feature allows managers to prevent certain slides from being edited. The design or content of these slides cannot be changed by users at all. Such slides can be combined with dynamic content placeholders to ensure the update of specific content. Why is this feature so useful? You can keep critical product information or brand-sensitive content from being changed, such as contact information, billing details, legal terms, any slide that must not be changed by end users. PowerPoint has the lock feature, but it only locks the position of the content of the slide, not the content itself. Let me demonstrate. I will now select the content on this slide and lock it. The slide is now locked and I can't move the content anywhere. But I can still click into the text box and add new information. In comparison with this, SlideHub Lockslide feature is much more extensive. Let me show you how it works. I'm going to go to Insert the SlideHub slide. And I'm going to search for a slide that has the lock icon on it. This means that the slide content is locked. This other icon means that it has a dynamic content placeholder, which means I can change one specific information on the slide. This is the client name. Okay, so let's fill and insert this slide. I am going to add SlideHub as the client and insert the file. And you can see that I am clicking and dragging, but nothing is editable on the slide. We hope you will find the Lockslide feature just as useful as we do. SlideHub in Outlook. SlideHub is available in Outlook. Send any of your company assets with SlideHub in Outlook. How does SlideHub in Outlook simplify email for you? SlideHub in Outlook provides easy access to all company assets to avoid the many steps of attaching documents. Instead of opening a program from the Office suite, finding the file, then opening and editing the file, renaming the file, converting it to a PDF, and then attaching it to the email, you just have to open SlideHub in Outlook, attach the file you need, and convert it in PDF immediately. Useful features SlideHub has in Outlook. Within SlideHub, you can convert files immediately into PDFs. Users can be assured they are using the most up-to-date versions of important files, avoiding the use of on my desktop versions of documents. Attach personalized and updated files when combining placeholders with PDF generation, for example, contact info, client names, dates. Additionally, text snippets are a powerful tool to streamline communications. Standardized answers shorten response times, and marketing and legal teams can ensure certain topics are approached identically. Let me move over to Outlook. I will start a new email and click on the Show SlideHub Actions button. Next, I will click on the Company Library button, and I will attach this presentation to the email. It is a presentation and it has placeholders. So let me choose to attach it as a PDF, and I am going to call this admin walkthrough. And for the client name, I shall add SlideHub. Let's fill and insert. And the file has been renamed. It is now a PDF and is attached to the email. Let me demo text snippets next. I shall now use our vision and insert it into the text part of the email. Sign off. Best regards. Emeke. And I can send the email now. So with SlideHub for Outlook, we hope that we have simplified your email process and you will find it extremely efficient. Color consistency for white icons. White icons will now stay white when they are replaced. The background behind this feature is that SlideHub inspiration slides often include white labeled icons as placeholders. Users had to manually recolor replacement icons to white when changing such icons to make the design work and function as intended. The new functionality is as the following. If the adjust and insert is used when inserting inspiration slides, white placeholder icons are now marked specifically as white. This means that the replacement icon's default color will remain white, ensuring color consistency. I will now show you how the feature works. First, I'll go to SlideHub and open the Inspiration Slide tab. Let's select this slide here. It's got 2 icons, and I'm going to click on the Adjust Colors and use Active Template. This slide has 2 white icons. I'm just going to click on this one to select it, and I'll replace this icon. Let's choose this icon here. I'm going to click on Replace. And now you can see the new icon has been added to the slide. It's white, and I did not need to adjust the color of it afterwards. We have now reached the end of our August product update, and allow me to extend an invitation for you to join our quarterly webinar. The details of the SlideHub Quarterly Product Webinar are the following. Join us on Tuesday, September 26, 2023 at 2 p.m. CEST and ask us directly about SlideHub. It will be 30 to 45 minutes long, depending on the length of the Q&A session after the presentation of our news. You can register for the webinar on this link. You will also find this link in the vicinity of the video. Come and find out what new features we have developed for you and what is coming soon. Be the first to know about our latest developments and make an impact by sharing your opinion with us. Thank you for your attention. We at SlideHub hope to continue to help you streamline PowerPoint proposals and solve document chaos.